In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete connections on LinkedIn. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to manage your LinkedIn network efficiently. So, if you're looking to tidy up your professional connections or remove someone from your network, you're in the right place. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in LinkedIn's web address. Make sure you're on the official site, which usually starts with linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll find the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your username and password. Then hit Sign In to access your LinkedIn account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. This is where you can see your feed and updates from your network. Navigate to the top menu and click on My Network. This section is your go-to place for managing relationships and connections you've formed on LinkedIn. Once in the My Network section, you'll see a search bar. This is particularly useful if you have a large number of connections and need to find a specific individual. Type the name of the person you wish to remove in the search bar. As you start typing, LinkedIn will suggest potential matches from your connections. Select the correct individual once they appear. After selecting the person, you'll be redirected to their profile page. Here, look for the More button. It's typically located below their name and headline. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll spot the option to Remove Connection. Before you proceed, remember that removing a connection on LinkedIn means that you'll no longer be connected with this person. They won't be notified of this action, but they might notice if they try to access your profile, or if you no longer appear in their connections list. This is an important consideration, so be sure you're certain about this decision. Click on Remove Connection, and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to disconnect. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the individual will be removed from your LinkedIn network. That wraps up today's tutorial. By following these simple steps, you can keep your LinkedIn connections list curated to suit your needs. Remember, managing your professional network effectively ensures you maintain only those connections that are mutually beneficial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.